no choice but to declare him the winner. Yes, and now a funky fresh victory dance. In your face, pepperoni all that flight.
You actually just seem like a Bradley jerk.
We support each other here, Pucker.
It turns out kids at a science and technology magnet school in laid-back California are not impressed with what he calls his loving.
Everybody quiet. Something amazing is about to happen. How about we lay out Pucker? Sure, he's not as cool as the rest of us. Why don't you give him a break? Because you might need one too someday. Showing compassion is the very lowest of us all.